Hi, welcome to Avasam Insight. My name is Eva, and in this video I'm going to show you how to list products on OnBuy Marketplace using the Avasam mapping tool. Once you integrated your OnBuy channel into Avasam, it will show under Listing Manager section. Open the screen and you will see all the products that you previously sourced showing here. You will only be able to list products using this tool that are already present on OnBuy catalog. For that reason, we will use the search option. So, click on List and search window opens. Here you will be able to search by barcode, which is pre-populated for you. If products does not have a barcode, this field will be left blank. You can also choose another option from the drop-down menu, such as title, which is pre-populated, keyword, which is also pre-populated, but you can add or amend it as you wish. We also have option to search by OPC number. So if you know the OPC of the product you want to search for, you can just paste it in this window and click search. The shipping drop-down will allow you to check what are the different shipping options available for this product and the cost that supplier set up. So for example, standard tracked is not available for this product, expedited is £2.50 and standard is £1.67. You can also click on the URL link, which will take you to the actual product page on OnBuy. And you would probably want to do this if you want to double check that the product you're listing is actually the one that you have in your Avasam inventory to make sure you're listing against correct item. Delivery templates will be populated directly from your OnBuy store. So whichever templates you have set up will show here for you to choose from. The condition is always new because currently all products on Avasam are new. Then you can set up your price. Let's say I want to sell it for £120 and click create. If your product was successfully listed, you will see this message here as well as green tick. Sometimes products may go into error, and in order to check why they went into error, you can see the error message on the icon. You see this particular product listing for this product have been restricted to the owner of the brand. So by highlighting the error icon, you'll be able to see the actual message why product went into error. It may take a few minutes for newly listed products to appear on your OnBuy store. If you have any products that you listed directly on OnBuy, which I have done so before OnBuy, then that tick will become gray. So you will know the item is listed, but it has not been listed directly from Avasam. You can use this functionality to also update the price or delete the product. So for example, if you want to change the price, you can change it here and click update. You can also delete the product. So all the products that you list will show here on your OnBuy store. So here it is, our back scratcher, £120. You can also delete the product by going into Edit and clicking on that delete option here. You will only be able to delete products that were listed directly from Avasam. We would advise you to set up price engines so your products can be repriced automatically if the supplier changes either product or shipping price. To do that, you would need to go to Settings, Price Engine Rules, and here I already have a price engine set up for OnBuy. You can choose your source, sub-source, decide if you want increase by percentage of a fixed value or both. You can decide which product category you want to apply. Also, you can decide how you want to apply the shipping. So for example, if you put standard expedited track as first, standard as second, and standard track as third, if the supplier offers expedited, expedited will be used into calculating your final selling price. So once you set up your price engine, click Save and go back to your listing tool. You can see now all the prices are automatically calculated, and I no longer can edit them because the price is calculated based on my settings. We also have a dashboard here when you click to Listing Manager that has different functionalities. For example, you can update order, sync your orders, you can run manual price sync or stock sync. It also has all different settings for your SKU and shipping mapping here. So that's it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us on the Avasam live chat or email support@avasam.com. Thank you for watching.